Right lads, this is the load draw for the Suzuki GSX-R 750.
First spin on the gsxr. Here we go. Give it a minute. Oh my god, the foot pegs are so high up. Ooh. Wow. It feels so small. I'm very leaned over. It is low. That's tree. Okay. Oh. Let's get around him. Gee, let's park up and put some earplugs in, I think. Fucking hell, that is loud. Is that recording? Okay. I'm not even saying that, I'm just fucking loving this. It's beauty though, she just rails like just. My God, my ears are ringing. It's loud. It's to go. Let's go around this roundabout. My God. It is ridiculous. It is ridiculously loud. I can barely hear myself think. Here we are going through Bray seafront. Woohoo! Lovely day for a spin. Starting to get used to this bike, but still fucking love it already. It's amazing. Bumps are a bit tough on it. Still used to it. KTM just rallying over things, but this is amazing. There's Paul up in front on the Kawasaki Z750, I think it is. Another inline for 750, so the two of them are humming. Then we're gonna park up here down the end maybe. Get a can of Coke or something, have a look at the bikes, see if I pull up close to Paul there. Here's the Gardaí as well, hop out of it. through the scenery. Fair play to them. First sort of tight turn really on this. They're grand. Go down the end, Paul. Go on, we park up on the footpath. Good man. You can't hear me now, but telepathically you can. Up on the footpath, watch. Go on. Oh Jesus Christ, you will. Fair play to you, lad. Where's he going? Here? Alright.
Yeah, I wasn't sure where we were going.
Yeah.